Hello guys, today I am going to start a very important and very fantastic topics that is inverse trigonometric function. This inverse trigonometric chapter will very helpful in derivative and integration also. So it is very important chapter for calculus part. So what is inverse trigonometry functions? You know from the functions chapter, whenever a function said to be invertible function, whenever suppose a function if f a to b, then there exists another function g, it will be b to a, then we know it will invertible whenever f of g y is equal to identity y এবং g of x is equal to identity x, then f inverse is equal to g. We know it. So let I consider here f of x is equal to y, that equal to f inverse y is equal to what is x. So in trigonometry, so trigonometry function, so what is the value of the sine inverse? It will be represented as the sine inverse x, that I can write here y, then what will be sine y is equal to x. If sine y is equal to x, then f inverse x is equal to what will be sine inverse x, it will be functions. So similarly cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse x, cos x inverse x, cot inverse x, we can write here. So in this case, the domain part of trigonometry function, in case of inverse trigonometry, it will be range, and range part will be domain. For example, you know from the sine graph in the class 11, that is sine graph. I'll draw now sine graph. So what is the range in this case? 1 to minus 1. This is range. And domain, suppose 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2. We'll consider here. In this case, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2. Similar, this is the domain part. In the range, when 0, that will be 0 degree, 0 value, sine 0. Then 90 value, it will be highest value 1. Then pi value 0. Then 3 pi value minus 1, it will be minus 1. Then it will be 0 again. Similar, 1. Again, this case, it will be similar. It is the in case of sin x, when y is equal to this case sin x. But in case of inverse of trigonometry function, that is what will be the inverse. In this case, the domain part will be the range and the range part will be domain. That will, in this case, inverse for inverse function, the range domain will be minus 1 to plus 1. It will be in this form, minus 1 to plus 1. For example, this case 1 and minus 1. Then it will be pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, it will be 2 pi. Then it will be minus pi by 2, it will be minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. So similar, it will 0. So in this case, it will be 1. Then it will be, and in this case it will be, okay. So that is the y is equal to this case sine inverse x. So in this case, that domain part is equal to 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. But in this case, the domain is what is minus pi to 1 to plus 1, and range is it will be range what will be that equal to 0, pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Similar, it will be 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and minus pi by 2, minus pi, 3 minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. So it will reverse. So Similarly, you can draw the cos inverse x also. Cos inverse x, cos inverse y is equal to cos x. One minus 1 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 pi minus pi by 2 pi. So it will be, in this case y is equal to cos x, in this case 0, that equal to highest value 0 times 1, then it will be 1 pi by 2 0. Similar case it will be, and in this case it will be also. Okay, but in case of the inverse, what will be inverse function case? It will also 1 minus 1. In this case it will be 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi. So 0 times there is 1, then it will be similar manner. Okay, this is the cos case, that is equal y is equal to cos x and y is equal to, in this case, cos inverse x. Okay, domain and range of the trigonometric function. So suppose sin inverse x, the domain is minus 1 to plus 1 and range will be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It is very important to calculate the problems. So range part is very important than the domain part. So in case of cos inverse x, close interval 0 to pi, and tan inverse x minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and cosec inverse also minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, only it will not possible pi by 2. And in case of the sec inverse also 0 to pi by 2, and cot inverse 0 to pi. So to recall it, to remember it, that is certain tricks. Sin, tan and cosec range generally minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, close interval 2 cos, sin and cosec, and tan open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Now other three 0 to pi, but in case of sec inverse it will be excluded only pi by 2. So there is not sum. So we can't write here sin inverse x is equal to 1 by sin x. We can't write. And in case of also sin inverse x whole square, we not equal to also, it is also not equal to, that is equal to sin inverse x whole square not equal to sin x minus 2 also. We can't write also sin inverse x is not equal to also sin inverse sin x whole to the power minus 1. So this term we can't write. So inverse trigonometry is the only measurement of angle of the trigonometric function. How I will now apply on some problem. Before that, I'll discuss some two properties of the trigonometric function, then I'll proceed for first exercise. So properties 1, first property is sin inverse x is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Similarly, cosec inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1 by x, we can write also. Similarly, tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. Again, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. So sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by x, and cos inverse x is equal to sec inverse 1 by x. Okay, that is the first property. Next, second property, property 2, that is sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Similarly, cosec inverse minus x is equal to minus cosec inverse x also. Okay, but tan inverse also minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. But in case of other three terms, that is cos, sec, cot, cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x, and sec minus x is equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. So now, using this property, I will find the principal value of inverse trigonometric function. For example, I will take a sine inverse root 3 by 2 value. So recall it, what is the value of, for which angle value of sine is root 3 by 2? Obviously that is 60 degree, that is pi by 3, you know, that is equal to sine inverse, this place will write here. So sine inverse root 3 by 2 is a pi by 3, that is equal to, what will be, pi by 3. So it will be easier to explain another property also. Property number 3, what is sine inverse sin x is equal to x also, cos inverse cos x is equal to also x, tan inverse tan x is equal to x. Similarly, you can write also other three terms. Opposite way, sin inverse x also x, tan inverse also x. Similar other terms value can be written. So in this case, sin inverse sin theta. So sin inverse cancel, x value will, what is, pi by 3. But using property this, suppose I will write here sin inverse minus root 3 by 2. So what will we know from this relation, that is minus term will come first. What will value? So minus sin inverse root 3 by 2. Then that is equal to sin inverse sin pi by 3, that is equal to sin inverse cancel minus pi by 3. But in case of, that is cos, suppose for example I will take here cos inverse minus half, I will consider. So where is it? Cos inverse minus pi minus cos inverse x in this case. So it will be pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2, that is equal to pi minus, what will be, cos inverse, it will be also cos pi by 3 value. So that is equal to pi minus cos inverse cancel, that is equal to pi by 3. So result will be 2 pi by 3. Are you getting? Now basing this exercise number 1, that is 2.1. Before that, I'll recall the trigonometric function value. Do you know trigonometric function value in the 10th level or 11th class level? That is, again I'm recalling about it. It is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Value function. So 0 degree, 30 degree, that is pi by 6, 45 pi by 4, 60 pi by 3, 90 pi by 2. So sin theta 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos theta 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And tan theta 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, and infinity. Then opposite of cot, opposite of tan, that is equal to 0 is infinity, is root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Then it will be sec cos opposite, that is equal to 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinity. And cosec, that is sine opposite, that is equal to infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. So using this, now I will do the question number 1 of the exercise 2.1. The first number, what is sine inverse minus 1 by 2. You can easily do it minus theta, so it will, in case of sine will come first, so sine inverse 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 value sine, what is this? Pi by 6, that I can put here sine inverse sine pi by 6, the value minus pi by 6. Similarly, second bit you can do easily, cos inverse root 3 by 2. Cos inverse root 3 by 2 is positive, not answer. That is cos inverse cos root 3 by 2 value, what is root 3 by 2, also pi by 6, that is cos pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 6. Similar, suppose I will write fourth number bit, that is tan inverse minus root 3, that is equal to value, what will be? It will be minus symbol. So in case of tan, minus come first, so tan inverse that is root 3, that is equal to minus tan inverse root 3 value, what is tan root 3, that is equal to 60 degree, that is equal to pi by 3. So minus pi by 3. Similarly, you can do the next bit also. So very important question, those are I will discuss now. Question number 14. This question was always setting as a 1 mark question in the board. That is equal to tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2, MCQ question. Then what will become? So tan inverse root 3 plus I can put here tan inverse tan root 3, that is equal to pi by 3 minus sec inverse minus 2, that is equal to, in this case, pi minus sec inverse 2. That value will be, what will value? That is equal to tan inverse cancel, it will be pi by 3, then minus plus, it will be minus, it will be plus sec inverse 2, sec 2, where is it? That is also pi by 3, that is equal to, it will be pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 minus pi, that is equal to, what is it? 3 LCM, 2 pi minus 3 pi, that is equal to minus pi by 3. Okay, thanks. Now let's start the remaining properties of the inverse trigonometry. Then fourth property, that is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to always pi by 2. For example, you will take here sine inverse root 3 by 2 plus cos inverse root 3 by 2, then it will be pi by 2. Okay. Then similarly, tan inverse plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 also. Similarly, sec inverse x plus cosec x inverse x is equal to also pi by 2. These three properties are very important. Then 5, it is also very important property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Similarly, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, it will be tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. For explanation of this property, I will take the example of the exercise question, the exercise 2.2, question number 3. Question number 3 exercise problem. Question number 3. There is proof that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equal to, what is tan inverse half? Tan inverse half. LHS person, what will be, this is x, this is y. So according to this formula, tan inverse x plus y, so 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Then after solving it, you will get here 125 by 250, that is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay. Again, 2 tan inverse x, 3 formula, that is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. When tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x, whenever it is converted in the sign, that is sin inverse is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Only different, there is minus, there is plus. Again it will be converted into cos inverse, it will be 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. As a requirement, we have to use this formula of 2 tan inverse x. So I'll apply in the question. Now proper number, that is 6. What is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to, very important this formula, sin inverse x into root over 1 minus x square by plus y into root over 1 minus y square. And similarly sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to what will be? It will be sin inverse x root over 1 minus x square, it will be minus y root over 1 minus y, that equal to x 1 minus y square, this case also 1 minus y square, so y, then it will be x square, it will be also x whenever it will be y square, x 1 minus y square, and y in this case y root over 1 minus x square. Are you getting? Sin inverse x root over 1 minus y square plus y root over 1 minus x square, and x 1 minus y square minus y root over 1 minus x square. Whenever x, it will be y, and y, it will be x. Okay, it is easy to recall it. Similarly, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, it will be cos inverse xy root over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Again, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, it will be cos inverse xy plus root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus y square. That is the reverse. Whenever plus, it will be minus, whenever minus, it will be plus. So this formula you can use in the problem also. You can follow miscellaneous exercise problem. Now question number 4, page number 51. Question number 4, page number 51. That is equal to given sin inverse 8 by 17 plus sin inverse 3 by 5. You can easily use the sin inverse formula. In this case, what will be? Then x, what is 8 by 17 root over 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square plus again 3 by 5 y person, 1 minus 8 by 17 whole square. After solving, you will get the answer. That is equal to what will be? Sin inverse 8 by 17 into it will be root over 1 minus 9 by 25 plus 3 by 5 root over 1 minus 64 by 289. Okay, then what will you get now? That is sin inverse 8 by 17, it will be 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 4 by 5 minus plus it will be 3 by 5 into 289 minus 64 225 root over 15 by 17. Then you can calculate the value of the solving value, you can find here. Okay, this is in use of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Similarly, question number 5, you can use the cos inverse plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Similar question number 5, cos inverse 4 by 5, cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to, you have to prove that cos inverse 33 by 65. So use here cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula, that is equal to cos inverse x into y into 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus y square. Then it will get that 48 by 65 into the root over of this. Then after calculating you will get the 48 by 65, it will 9 by 25, 25 by 169, 25, 25 cancel, that will get 9 by 169, 9 by 169 root over 3 by 13. Then ultimately we will solve it, LCM will be 65, then it will be 48 minus 15, that is equal to cos 33 by 65. That is the answer of the proof of the RHS portion of question number 5. Similarly, some cases there is an unequal term, just like question number 6. Question number 6, unequal term. Now question number 6. So in this question number 6, there is cos inverse 12 by 13, sin inverse 3 by 10, 3 by 5, and sin inverse, you have to prove the sin inverse 56 by 65. In this case, there is sin inverse. So if you convert the cos inverse in sin inverse form, then it easily find the value of the sin inverse form. So how can we convert it? So it is very helpful in this geometrical process. That is given cos inverse 12 by 13. So I consider cos inverse 12 by 13 equal to theta. So cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. So it will base will 12 and hypotenuse will 13. So obviously using Pythagoras theorem it will be 5. Then sin theta is equal to what will be 5 by 13. So theta is equal to what will be sin inverse 5 by 13. So in this case also theta. So this place I can put here sin inverse 5 by 13. So now it will sin inverse 5 by 13 plus sin inverse 3 by 5. You can easily now find the value. Similar question number 7 in miscellaneous exercise also. What is the question? That is tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to sin inverse what is 5 by 13 plus cos inverse 3 by 5. In this case, all the terms are unequal. That is, you have to prove in the tan inverse, that is sin inverse, that is cos inverse. So I used to convert all the RHS portion terms in tan inverse. Then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, you will easily get this value. So how can convert? Similarly, we will take the help of geometrical process. So sin inverse 5 by 3. So geometrically it will be sin inverse, that is equal to sin inverse 5 by 3 equal to theta. So sin theta is equal to 5 by 13. So it will be 5, it will be 13. So it will be using Pythagoras theorem 12. So when tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse, what will be 5 by 12. Again cos inverse 3 by 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5. So 3, 5. So it will be what will be 4. So in tan inverse form, theta is equal to what will be tan inverse 4 by 3. So RHS portion it will be tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 4 by 3. So using tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, you can easily find this value. So similar question number 8, there are 3 terms of tan inverse. We have to convert 4 terms of. So first 2 term text and use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Then second also similar. Then again both term combined, you will get the tan inverse 1. You will get tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to what is tan inverse tan pi by 4. That value is equal to that is equal to pi by 4 you will get. Okay. So now question number 9. It is important 2 mark question. What is tan inverse root x is equal to half cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So you can write it this way: 2 tan inverse root x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. How you can prove? So we know the formula 2 tan inverse x formula. Recall it. 2 tan inverse is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1, 2x cos inverse form. So it will be cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now use here. So x is what is root x. So it will be LHS portion when I will take this can written as cos inverse 1 minus root x whole square by 1 plus root x whole square. So easily you will get the cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So now 12 number question, it is also set as 2 mark question. It can be set. So from the LHS person you can take common. What is 9 by 4, that is 9 by, that is equal to 9 by 8, sorry, 9 by 8. Then if you take common 9 by 4, it will be pi by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3. So we know the property sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to, what is, pi by 2. So will this plus, what is, pi by 2 sine inverse x is equal to, what will be, cos inverse x, pi by 2 minus sine inverse x equal to, what will be, cos inverse x. So this result will be 9 by 4 cos inverse, what is it, 1 by 3. So my proof is in the term of sine inverse. So you can use the help of geometrical process also. There is a cos 1 by 3, that is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to theta. So it will be 1 to 3. So it will be, what will be, cos inverse, that is equal to, what will be, cos inverse 1 by 3. Oh, okay, that is equal to 1 by 3. So cos inverse is equal to 1 by root 3. So hypotenuse what will be, root 3 whole square minus 1, that is equal to, what is, 8. Root over of 8 is equal to, what will be, it is equal to 2 root 2. So it will be 2 root 2. Then when in case of the sine, that is equal to p by h, it will 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Okay. Then similar question number 13 also, solve it. So solve, we have to find the value of x. So 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 by cos x. This question was set as 4 mark question in 2018-17. So it will be 2 tan inverse x. So in place of 2 tan inverse x formula, 2 tan inverse is equal to, what will be, tan inverse 2x by, so x plus what is, cos x by 1 minus x square, that is equal to cos square x. In this case, what is 2 cosec x? 2 cosec x, sorry, this is 2 cosec x. So in this case 2 by, what will be, sin x. Okay, tan inverse also, tan inverse 2 by sin x. Then tan inverse cancel out. It will be 2 by 2 cos x by sin square x. 1 minus cos square equal to sin square x, and it will be 2 by sin x. Then the sin cancel, it will be 2 also cancel out. What will be, cos x by sin x is equal to, what is, 1, that is equal to cot x is equal to 1, that is equal to cot pi by 4, that is x is equal to pi by 4. Again I will return to the exercise 2.2, page number 47. First bit, that is 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So this question was set in the 2018 as a 2 mark question. So LHS is equal to RHS, you have to prove. So we have to take the RHS person, the sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So to prove it is very easier process, that is equal to let x is equal to, what is, sin theta. That implies theta is equal to, what will be, sin inverse x. So put here RHS person in RHS. It will be sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. So you know this formula is sin 3 theta formula. That is equal to sin inverse sin 3 theta, sin inverse cancel, 3 theta. Theta is equal to, what is, sin inverse x. So 3 sin inverse x, that is LHS person proved. So similarly question number 2 can be easily proved by the taking x is equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse x, then RHS person will be cos inverse cos 3 theta formula it will come, then cos inverse cos theta 3 theta cancel, it will be 3 theta, then 3 cos inverse x will come. So question number 3 I have done it. Question number 4, what is 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. So it can easily prove it, but there is only problem. We know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, but in this case, what is 2 tan inverse something a? So at first we have to convert 2 tan inverse x form to tan inverse form. So LHS person, it will be tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2, 2x formula, 2x by 1 minus x square, that is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus tan inverse 1 by 7. And we solve it, and using the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, you will get the easily tan inverse 13 by 71. Similarly, question number 5, it will solve the simplest form, convert. Question number 5, what is it? Tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So what term we have to take to solve it or simplify it? So what is, if x is equal to tan theta, let x is equal to tan theta, so theta is equal to what will be tan inverse x. So in this case, what will you get? That is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Then it will be tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta, what will be sec square theta root over what will be? So sec theta simply it will come minus 1 by what is it? Tan theta. Then solve it, tan inverse it will be sec theta 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So take LCM, then cos theta cancel, sin inverse 1 minus cos theta by what is sin theta, it will come. Then come 1 minus cos theta is equal to, we know, tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2, you know, and sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So sin theta 2 cancel, sin theta by sin theta cancel. So tan inverse tan theta by 2 it will come. So tan inverse cancel, it will come, what will come? Only theta by 2. That is theta is equal to what is tan inverse x. So it will half tan inverse x. Now question number 10, tan inverse 3a square x minus s cube, a cube minus 3a square, solve it. So how can it solve? So now we'll put x is equal to a tan theta. So tan theta is equal to x by a. So theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Now put here in place of x, that is a tan theta. It will come simplified 3a square a tan theta, a cube tan cube theta, a cube 3a tan a square tan square theta. Then it will, after solving, it will come 3s cube tan theta, a cube tan cube theta, a cube minus 3a cube tan cube theta. So a cube common, take common from the numerator and denominator part. It will come 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So recall the formula of 11 class. This value is nothing but the tan 3 theta. We know tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta by minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So that will be tan inverse tan 3 theta. So tan inverse cancel out, it will become 3 theta. 3 theta is equal to what is tan inverse x by. So now solving for it will come the 3 tan inverse x by a. Next bit, 11 number, find the value of this tan inverse 2 cos into 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Whenever you will face this type of question, you have to solve that from inner portion to outside portion. That is inner, that is sin inverse half. Sin inverse half is equal to, we know, what is sin half place to sin pi by 6, that is equal to sin inverse cancel, it will come pi by 6. So outside 2 into pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 3. So it will come tan inverse cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value will cos 60 value, that is half. So 2 into half, that is equal to 1. So it will come tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 plus what is it? Tan inverse pi by 4. So that result will come pi by 4. Similarly, question number 12 also 2 mark question, very important question also. So sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x is equal to what is 1. So you have to find the value of x. So now this sin inverse, take this side, is equal to what is pi. It will pi by 2. That is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Then it will come sin inverse 1 will come. This side one will come sin inverse 1 is equal to what is pi by 2. So result will come sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So now sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So using property sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This value what will be? Sin inverse x. So then x sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to sin inverse x. The result will be x is equal to 1 by 5. Now consider question number 15. It is a 4-mark question. This question also set in 2017. The sin tan inverse x minus 1 by 2, tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 is equal to pi I for solve it. So we have to find the value of x. What is value of x? So you can use the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Then after solving, you will get is equal to our expression always come pi I for. Then in this case, tan inverse come this side, it will be tan pi I4. Then tan pi I4 will be equal to what is 1. After solving, you will get this value that is equal to 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. Then 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Then 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. That is the answer. The solving value of x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Again, the one more question, that is 16 number, sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. You can easily say that it will come the result 2 pi by 3, but it is not correct. Why? Because we know the range of the sin inverse is equal to always minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So 2 by 3 does not lie between the minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So it will not. So how can we find the answer? So 2 pi by 3 can be written as sin pi minus pi by 3. That is because second quadrant of sin theta positive, that is equal to pi minus theta is equal to only sin theta, that is equal to we come with sin inverse sin pi by 3. So sin inverse cancel, it will pi by 3. It obviously lies between the minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So it is the correct answer. The solution, the value of the sin inverse sin pi 2 pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Similarly, in case of 17 number, tan inverse tan 3 pi I4. So 3 pi I4 also doesn't lie between the minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, because the range of the tan inverse is equal to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So in this case, how can find this value? That is equal to, we can write here 3 pi I4 plus pi minus pi I4. It will be 3 pi I4. But pi minus theta, second quadrant. Obviously, second quadrant tan negative. So I write here minus before it. So tan pi minus equal to minus tan pi I4. So minus take front. Then tan inverse tan pi I4, that equal to cancel out. It will be result will be minus pi I4. Then question number 22, one more question, very important question. Always this type of question coming frequently on the examination. So it will sin pi by 3 sin inverse minus 1 by 2. There is a sin inverse minus theta. So minus come to front side, it will be plus. So pi by 3 sin inverse half. We know sin inverse half value pi by 6. Then pi by 3 plus pi by 6. What value? That is pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 value 1. Similarly, you can find the value of this last bit, 21 number question. Very important question also. The tan inverse root 3, cot inverse minus root 3. What is tan inverse root 3? Tan inverse root 3 plus what is? Minus cot inverse minus root 3. So what value? MCQ question. We know tan inverse root 3 minus, so in case of cot, it will be what it will be? Pi minus theta, pi minus cot inverse root 3. We know the property, that is tan inverse root 3, that is equal to y, root 3 value what is it? Tan pi by 3. Then minus, it will be plus cot inverse root 3 equal to what it will be? Cot pi by 6. The answer what will be? It will be pi by 3. It will be minus pi. It will be pi by 6. Then solve it. What is the value come? It will be the answer. Thanks.